Shalom. Well, I'm back with something different. Big change. It's 5 in the morning and I'm working, inspired and motivated because a lot of changes around us, and I want to take you with me just so you could see it, so you could understand that life isn't complicating at all. It's very slow and peaceful, but we make it very impatient and fast paced, and we need to chill. We need to. Hey guys, I'm covered up because it's freezing. I got like 3 layers. And I did my hair up. I'm just exhausted. Right now we at my studio. This is my section. I sit down on the floor and just work. How to fix my section. I want it cohesive, like a really nice color. There's a lot of stuff. You can see in my eyes. I'm exhausted, but it's so much fun. I got like a lot of stuff around. See, like I just sit there and I just use that. And you know, you gotta improvise. Like this is difficult. So, right behind me, this is my husband's stuff. Please just shake it. So cool. These are my boxes and some samples and ideas. I'm gonna post them on Instagram, all the things that I've created, because I want you to get inspired, and I'm gonna run my business. I have like all this extra stuff, materials that I already just having as reference, but I'm gonna make a little binder, like just go to a Dollar Tree or 99-cent store, just to have like everything nice and organized. So I got some tools here, little weird tools that I might use for any you know, construction that I'm gonna do in my studio. My item here for baking my polymer clay and glitters and extra printer ink. And on this side, I have my printers. They're right up there. I have light bulbs. I have all the materials that I use for my polymer clay and resin and molds and more glitter. My electrical area, you know, tech area. These are extra papers. It's a project that I'm doing with air clay, the magical clay, whatever. Imagine if I had like a real small like chair, like this is the floor. I just sit here and then I got like a roller thing and and my sewing machine, extra like ideas of stamps and stuff like that from clay, all my tools, sand, polymer clay. See, everything is everywhere, so I need to organize all my stuff. It's everywhere. My mind is everywhere, and I need like little small sections of packaging here, soldering there, like printing and office section here, you know, like that. My tools in an area, my items that I already created, that I'm sampling, that I'm designing in one section, like that. Like I'm excited. This is super epic, and I'm sharing it with you so you know that you could do it too. You know, we do a lot of negative stuff that we we just pursue it, and then when we're getting older, we regret it and we wish we did something better in our life and stuff like that. But this is not childish. This is something that you're supposed to do. This is something that it's livable, it's fun, it's encouraging, and it's just relaxing, you know. Like, don't you feel relaxed? Don't you hear my voice is so relaxed? Like, hello. So, you know, this is just to learn. Like, it's just to start something. But yeah, this is gonna be long, but I hope you enjoy it. This is the past of how everything is looking. Then I'll be changing it. Then right here, this is my table where I create all my items. See, I got samples and things that are already made. My earrings that I've created. Here are the tools. All my tools. And all my tools on this side. Ooh. And I have more items here. See, it's all over the place. I have my soldering. I'm using this box just to see if I could reuse it, spray paint it for putting my items. I got extra items, soldering tools, things like that. I haven't used them because I want my setup real good. My towel right here and my shredder so I can make paper shredded, so I put it in packaging. I'm gonna show you everything without having me on the camera. It's gonna be epic. This is epic. Right now, right at this moment, and even in the future, if you're watching this in the future, this is epic.